Hello, Dele, everyone. Um, Bonjour pour tout le monde. So, it's quite a long time ago I haven't make videos, and today I am going to a very short video. I'm going to make a very short video for uh, um, next week. Um, I'm going to coming to Poland for mother tantric teaching, you know, um, and I just want to uh, share you a little bit about ideas. Why? Why? I think many Geshis lamas, but especially for me, why I'm coming to Poland and other countries, because we have been study almost a whole life, like 30 years. I was studied Bonn and also not only religion but also many other, like for example, you know, I don't know how to call it in English, but not only a religion. We have been learn a lot of, for example, astrology, mathematics, and also mandala, how to build statues and stupa. You know, these are I don't know how to call, but the main thing that we have been learning like more like 30 years. We have been started from Tibetan alphabet, and we have been went to the like monastery until now, almost 30 years. So lifetime we studied a lot. When we look at back, my life, I learned a lot. Then I'm always thinking that this, someone who learned like almost 30 years, there's no doubt you have you have many, how to say, different experiences about the born religion. So I have been always thinking that it doesn't matter you have big knowledge or you are big master or small master. It doesn't matter. The matter that this knowledge, we got knowledge. This knowledge is we need to share others. It's not only share, but it's also helpful for others. So that's why, first the reason that why I am coming to Poland, people who want to learn about the Polish religion, and when you want, we are going to share this. The first reason, and second reason, I'm going to start the teaching, a mother tantric teaching. I received these teachings from my teachers. I think we received this teaching almost more than a year. We receive the teachings every day. So I have been seeing a lot of different teachings from Mother Tantra, from other doctrines. But for example, Dream Yoga, it's only some part here in the West. I think also the reason people have no time also, but the other reasons the masters also have no time. I don't know, no time, everyone. But I have been seeing only some part, for example, dream yoga, sleep yoga, some other bardo, some this kind of short, let's say short teachings, teaching by different masters. But what I am thinking, sometimes people say that this whole teaching is difficult. People also getting lost or complicated. But my opinion, I think when you get a whole teaching from the beginning until at the end of this teaching, when you get this teaching, I think you will get different experiences. It's a very big differences. You learn some part, but when you learn whole the teaching, the Mother Tantra teaching, you will get big differences, big difference experiences. That's what I am thinking. That's why I'm coming to Poland to start the Mother Tantra teaching. For it's not only one time, but people who want to receive the teaching, we are going to start the teaching from we start and we were going to finish the whole teaching. Also, we are not pushing anyone. I don't say you have to come for the teaching. I don't want to say this. If you are interested, if you want to, you want to come, okay, we are welcome for the teaching. I told you that ideas of my experiences, and the second reason, the whole teaching. I'm going to start the teaching. This is the two reasons why I am coming for Poland next week. But again, I don't want to say you have to come or we don't push it anyone else. That's the people choice. If you are interested, you are for my teachings, if help you for your develop your practices, your it's good for you, okay, you can come. That's why this short video I make it. And thank you very much for people who will watch my video. I am very, very grateful. And also organizer there in Poland, Anna, Oleg, and I'm very, very appreciate. Thank you very much.